Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Good morning, Mrs. Brown. You look very busy today.
Good morning, Anna. Yes, I am a little busy this morning.
Is everything okay? You usually look very relaxed.
Everything is fine, but I have unexpected guests today.
Oh, really? Who is visiting you?
My sister and her family arrived late last night.
That sounds nice, but also tiring.
Yes, I was surprised because they did not call before coming.
That can be stressful, especially in the morning.
Exactly. I want to make them feel welcome.
Are they staying for a long time?
They will stay for 3 days.
3 days is a good visit, but it needs planning.
Yes, and I'm thinking about cooking special meals.
What are you planning to cook for them?
I want to cook chicken soup and rice for lunch.
That sounds delicious and warm for the family.
Thank you. My sister really likes homemade food.
Do you need help with cooking or shopping?
That is very kind of you. I may need help later.
I can go to the market if you want.
That would help me a lot, actually.
What do you need from the market?
I need fresh vegetables and some spices.
No problem. I will go in 30 minutes.
Thank you so much, Anna. You are very helpful.
I'm happy to help a good neighbor.
My sister will be happy to meet you.
I would like that. Family visits are special.
Yes, even unexpected visits bring joy.
Are there children visiting with your sister?
Yes, she has 2 children, a boy and a girl.
They must be excited to visit you.
They are very excited and very active, too.
That means you need more energy today.
You are right. I woke up very early.
Did you already have breakfast?
No, I did not have time yet.
You should eat something before cooking.
I will make some tea and toast soon.
That is a good and simple breakfast.
Simple food is best in busy mornings.
If you want, I can also bring some bread.
That would be wonderful. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Neighbors should help each other.
I completely agree with you.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Green. Are you here for the parents' meeting?
Good afternoon, Mrs. Lee. Yes, I am here for my son's meeting.
Me too. I am here to talk about my daughter.
It is nice to see so many parents today.
Yes, it shows that parents care about their children.
I agree. Parental involvement is very important.
Is this your first time attending a school meeting?
No, but I missed the last one because of work.
I understand. Sometimes it is hard to find time.
Yes, but I try my best to attend.
How is your son doing at school? He is doing well, especially in math. That is great to hear. Yes, but he needs help with reading. My daughter also needs more practice in reading. Reading at home really helps children improve. I read with my daughter every evening. That is a very good habit. Teachers always suggest reading at home. Yes, teachers give very helpful advice.
Hi, Lily. Your English is really good. Hi, Sarah. Thank you. I practice it every day. I feel very nervous when I try to speak English. That is very common for English learners. I am always afraid of making mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning any language. Sometimes I forget words and my mind goes blank. That happens to me too, even after a lot of practice. Really? I thought you never feel nervous. Confidence comes from practice, not from being perfect.
I want to improve my speaking, but I feel shy. Speaking a little every day can help a lot. How do you practice your English speaking? I use different ways, both online and offline. Can you tell me some easy ways? Sure. I watch English videos every day. What type of videos do you watch? Short videos, interviews, and English lessons.
Do videos really help with speaking?
Yes, they help with pronunciation and confidence. I watch videos too, but I only listen. You can pause the video and repeat the sentences. That sounds useful. I also listen to English podcasts.
I know about podcasts, but I never tried them. Podcasts are very good for listening and speaking practice. When do you listen to them? I listen while walking or doing housework. That is a good idea. I also repeat useful sentences aloud. I feel strange when I speak alone. That feeling goes away with time and practice. Do you use any online platforms? Yes, I practice with Mr. Khan English channel. I have heard about it. Is it helpful? Yes, it has clear lessons, videos, and speaking tips. Is it good for A2 and B1 learners? Yes, it is perfect for those levels. I really need more confidence. Confidence grows when you practice regularly. Do you practice every day? Yes, even 10 or 15 minutes daily. I think I can do that too. Small practice every day makes a big difference.
Do you still feel nervous sometimes?
Sometimes, yes, but I never stop speaking. That motivates me a lot. Remember, mistakes mean you are learning. I will start watching videos and listening to podcasts. That is a great start. I will also try Mr. Khan English channel. I'm sure you will like it. Thank you for your help, Lily.
You're welcome, Sarah. I already feel more confident. That makes me very happy. Keep practicing and enjoy learning. Good morning, Sarah. You are out quite early today. Good morning, Emma. Yes, I am going for my daily walk. That is a very healthy habit. I also try to walk every morning. Morning walks make me feel fresh and active. I feel the same. They give me energy for the whole day. How long do you usually walk? I usually walk for about 30 minutes. That is a good amount of time. Do you walk every day? I try to, but sometimes I miss a day. That happens to everyone. The important thing is to stay regular. Yes, consistency is very important for good health. Walking helps my body and also clears my mind. It reduces stress and makes me feel calm. Do you listen to music while walking? Sometimes, but I also enjoy the quiet morning. I like listening to soft music. It feels relaxing. Walking has also improved my sleep. I noticed that too. I sleep much better now. Do you usually walk alone or with someone? Mostly alone, but walking with a friend is nice. Yes, walking together keeps us motivated. On busy days, I go for a walk in the evening. That is a good idea. Evening walks are refreshing too.
Sometimes I feel lazy and do not want to go out. I feel the same, but I remind myself of the benefits. I tell myself it is only 30 minutes. Small efforts every day make a big difference. Walking keeps us active and healthy. It is good for the heart and helps control weight. I feel much healthier since I started walking. Me too. My energy level is much better now. We should motivate each other to keep walking. That is a great idea. Support makes habits stronger. Let's try not to miss our walks. I agree. Let's stay consistent. Are you coming for a walk tomorrow morning as well? Yes, I will be here. Great. I will join you. That makes me happy. Walking together will be fun. Have a nice walk today. You too, Emma. Let's keep going.
Hi, Lisa. You look a bit thoughtful today.
Hi, Lindsay. Yes, I am thinking about my expenses.
Are you trying to save money?
Yes, I want to control my spending better.
That is a very good goal. Planning really helps.
I agree. I recently started making a monthly budget.
That is great. How does it help you?
It helps me understand where my money goes each month.
Do you also keep track of your spending?
Yes, I write down everything I spend.
Does that help you save money?
Yes, it stops me from buying things I do not really need.
Unnecessary shopping is my biggest problem.
It used to be my problem too, especially online shopping.
What do you do now?
Now I ask myself if I really need something before buying it.
That is a smart habit.
I also try to save a small amount every month.
Are you saving for something special?
Yes, I save for emergencies and future plans.
That is very wise.
Do you talk to your children about saving money?
Yes, I try to teach them from a young age. That is very important for children. I give them a small allowance. Do they save part of it? Yes, I encourage them to save some money. That teaches them responsibility. I also explain the value of money to them. Children learn a lot by watching their parents. That is true. I try to set a good example. Me too. I talk openly about budgeting at home.
Do you plan your shopping before buying?
Yes, I always make a shopping list.
Shopping lists really help control spending.
Yes, I buy only what I need.
Do you compare prices before buying?
Yes, comparing prices helps save money.
Saving money makes me feel safe and relaxed.
Me too. I feel much less stressed now.
Financial planning gives peace of mind.
Yes, it helps us feel more in control.
Do you set saving goals?
Yes, small and realistic goals.
That makes saving easier and motivating.
We should also encourage others to save.
Yes, good habits should be shared.
Saving money is not easy, but it is possible.
I agree. It only needs discipline.
I am glad we talked about this.
Me too. It motivates me a lot.
Let's keep supporting each other.
Definitely. We can learn together.
Have a good day, Lindsay.
You too, Lisa. Keep saving.
Hi, Linda. You look very tired today.
Hi, Mia. Yes, I did not sleep well last night.
Was it because you used your phone late again?
Yes, I stayed on my phone until very late.
That happens to many people, but it can become a problem.
I know. My phone use is getting out of control.
How many hours do you use your phone every day?
Around 5 or 6 hours, sometimes even more.
That is a lot of screen time.
Yes, and it really affects my sleep.
Do you use your phone before going to bed?
Yes, I watch videos and check social media.
That makes it hard for your brain to relax.
I feel very tired every morning.
Does your phone use affect your family time too?
Yes, my family often complains about it.
What do they say?
They say I am always looking at my screen.
That can hurt relationships.
I know, and it makes me feel guilty.
I had the same problem before.
Really? How did you fix it?
I started setting limits on my phone use.
What kind of limits?
I stopped using my phone 1 hour before bed.
That sounds very difficult.
It was hard at first, but it improved my sleep.
I want better sleep too.
I also keep my phone away during family time.
That is a good idea.
Now we eat dinner without phones.
That must improve conversation.
Yes, we talk more and feel closer.
I miss that with my family.
You can start with small steps. Like what? Turn off notifications at night.
That would reduce distractions.
You can also use screen time apps.
I have seen them, but I never tried them.
They help you understand how much time you spend on your phone.
That might really open my eyes.
I replaced phone time with reading and walking.
That sounds much healthier.
Less screen time also reduces stress.
I feel stressed when I use my phone too much.
Balance is very important.
Yes, I need better control.
You can also charge your phone outside the bedroom. That is a smart idea. It removes the temptation to use it at night.
I will try that tonight.
Remember, change takes time.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome. I'm always here to help.
I feel more hopeful now.
Let's both try to reduce our screen time. Yes, let's encourage each other. Your sleep and family time will improve. I really hope so. I'm sure you can do it. Thank you, Mia. I will start today. Great. Good luck. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Excuse me, I bought this dress last week and I would like to return it.
Sure. Can I see the receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. May I ask why you want to return it?
It doesn't fit me properly.
I see. Did you try it on at home?
Yes, I did. It's a little too tight around the waist.
No problem. We can exchange it or issue a refund.
I would like a refund, please.
All right. Can I check the dress?
Sure. Here it is.
Everything seems fine. The dress is in perfect condition.
Yes, I haven't worn it outside.
Great. How would you like the refund?
Back to my credit card, please.
No problem. It may take 3 to 5 business days to reflect in your account.
That's fine. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
Have a nice day, and we hope to see you again.
Thank you. You too.